This is a vintage 20-inch General Electric box fan, model number F11W22, manufactured back in the early to mid 1960s. This is a 3-speed fan. It's got the Venturi ring and of course the 5 plastic blades, which came into play replacing the 3 metal blades on this particular fan. Pretty powerful fan here. I mean, very well built, very solid fan. I mean, you can't, the box on the thing does not flex at all on this thing, or the cabinet, whatever. I mean, very well built fan. The switch knob's on the side, typically on the General Electric box fans. And without further ado, we'll go ahead and give this thing a demonstration. Start it up on low. And these motors on these fans tend to buzz a little bit. They're using a special single bearing type motor, which is a very pain in the butt to work on. They're sealed bearings, but you have to have a special way to oil them. So here's medium. We'll take it to high speed. Then we'll go ahead and shut it off. As it's spinning down, I'll show you the back real quick. Got a little piece of styrofoam in the back to help keep the grills from vibrating up against the motor brace. The earlier ones had the emblem in the top left, as you see. The later ones moved it down to the center in front of the blade hub on the logos on these fans. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video of this 1960s, early 60s, mid 60s General Electric box fan, model F11W22. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, everybody.